Production of graphene via the traditional CVD method today requires high energy consumption to reach high temperatures. Involves the use of methane, which is a powerful greenhouse gas. Requires the use of catalytic substrate, such as copper or nickel, which carries risks of deterioration during the transfer of graphene. This is why we have developed and patented a new technology called Fagoxy. Fagoxy technology uses the PECVD, plasma-enhanced chemical vapor deposition process, and replaces greenhouse gas with a safer gas. This new process allows production in a few seconds, at room temperature, and directly on the desired substrate. A second step can be added to improve the quality, crystallinity of graphene. Post-synthesis treatment involves either pulsed laser irradiation or rapid thermal processing. The advantages are numerous: an energy-efficient and environmentally friendly process, direct graphene growth and deposition on diverse substrate, such as FTO, polyamide, glass, silicon, and silicon oxide. No transfer step, therefore better quality graphene, and a significant reduction in production costs.